In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email ID in Hostinger. So let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger H panel. Once you are inside, click on your account icon at the top, then select Account Information. Now scroll down to Social Logins. If you have any linked accounts, such as Google or Facebook, make sure to unlink them first. Otherwise, you won't be able to change your email address. Just click the Unlink button next to them. Next, go to Account Settings. Here, you'll see your current email address. Click on it, enter your new email address, and then click Continue. Now check your old email inbox. Hostinger will send you an email asking you to confirm the change. Click the purple Verify button inside that email within 1 hour. Once you do that, Hostinger will also send a confirmation link to your new email address. Open that inbox, click Verify, and your new email will be activated. And that's it. Your Hostinger email ID has now been updated. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.